you doing? So noisy out here. Sorry about that. I just wanted you to see this little cutie. You want to come up here? There you go. Oh, underneath? All right. This little girl is so sweet. Oh, she's crawling down my arm. Turn her around. There you are. Hello. What you up to, little girl? She's got to check out my glasses. She's a good little girl. She's a good little girl. Oh, she's a good one. And kisses? Whoop. She's a little busy. Are you a little bit busy? Oh. There you go. Oh, there's the glasses again. All right. Yeah, she's a really sweet little girl. Aren't you? Are you guys sweet? Cockatiels always kind of shake their head when you talk to them, like, oh, I feel vibration in my ears. I do. Thank you.